Hi, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our Schedule A organizer, which is our items deduction. First, you want to hit Get for Free, and then you're going to want to go to Firm Template. Now you want to go ahead and find that organizer in your list of organizers. So let's see what I've got here. It does help if you go to the organizer section to find it. But here I have it down at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and click on Schedule A organizer. And these are the questions that I'm going to ask, which are going to be the basic Schedule A questions. So it's going to ask if you have any of the following, which is medical or dental expenses, gifts to charity, or casual theft or loss. If they select medical or dental expenses, they're going to see this next section, which says medical or dental expenses, and it's going to ask them all the questions related to that topic. It's then going to ask taxes they're paid. So if they paid any state or local income taxes or general sales taxes, they're going to be able to fill that information here. Any real estate taxes, property taxes, or any other taxes that they paid during the tax year. Interest paid to them was also a question. They have all that information that they can fill out. Any gifts to charity, they can answer these questions that are defined by the IRS. If they hit casualty and theft in the first section, they will actually get this section, and they'll be able to describe the loss, the event, the date of event, the amount of loss, and the insurance reimbursement. If they click other event or itemized events, they will be able to write their gambling losses, parity-related work expenses, or amortized bond premium, and other deductible expenses. And these can always have an attached checklist if needed. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.